Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So please excuse the state I look right now. I've got to quickly film this as quickly as possible and edit another video and get ready for work. So a lot to do. Today's video is showing you our Christmassy bedroom, so I hope you guys enjoy. If there's anything that you have seen throughout this video and you would like to know where I got them from, or if there's any links, then please let me know in the comment section below and I will send you any links that you guys are after. So I hope you guys really do enjoy this video. Sorry it's not much, because we've gone from white and silver to pink, as you can see, in a matter of a few days. We didn't really have that much pink stuff. We didn't have enough time to buy any pink stuff because of obviously Christmas presents as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it nevertheless. So as you walk in, this is what you see. So let's start over my little desk area. Please excuse my laptop and little paperwork bits here. I'm currently editing a video as we speak. Like I said, editing, filming and getting ready for work is a bit of a nightmare. But we have my mini Disney tree here. As you guys would see, there's little extras on the tree, which I got from Primark. I got a little candy cane one there. In the last, I think it's like a bedroom update or something, I had like heart lights up across my mirror. I was out shopping with Nathan and I got a message from him saying that they exploded in his hands. So we had to get rid of them. And then I've got my little gonk there and a little gonk there too. A silver sparkle sign above my mirror. I didn't know where to put it, so I just stuck it here. And then I have a gingerbread cookie candle here, which smells absolutely unreal, and I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to start burning it in December. And yeah, beautiful gingerbread cookie. On my lac shelf, I just got a couple of Christmassy candles. So I've got a Yankee Candle Christmas one there and two of the vaulty ones. We have this one, which is called Enchanted Woodlands, and then we have this one. Camera needs to focus. There we go. Candy Cane Forest. So we just got a couple of candles up here. The little decoration. Have a Winter Wonderland candle up there as well. So it's just a couple of little bits up there. And obviously there's all my advent calendars, which I will sort out Thursday, either Thursday morning or Thursday night, ready for the 1st of December. On this unit here, we've got a couple of candles. So if you would have seen my haul, I got this one. It's a Yankee Candle white pine cones candle. It smells insane and I absolutely love it. We have a silver pink glittered nutcracker here. We have another one sitting here. Have another candle sitting just here, which is the pepperberry pine Yankee Candle. Then we've got the L and the N candles there. Nathan's got a little gonk sitting on his bedside table here. And then moving over to the bed, we have a couple of gonks there. We do have gonk bedding, but we're waiting until the 1st of December to pop the bedding on. Once the bedding is on, I will actually film what the bedding looks like. But so far we've got a couple of gonks here. Please excuse my Grinch pyjamas. They are ready for me for when I come home from work, so I can just get all nice and cozy in there. And obviously I've just got my work stuff there, so please ignore them as well. And this is what the bedding looks like with our gonk bedding and throw. I know the cushions don't exactly match. We are going to try and get gonk cushions, but at this moment in time I absolutely love our gonk bedding. Here we've got our beautiful tree. Now there is so much going on in this tree. I try and remember where I got things from. I'm going to quickly whiz through this. So the tree itself is from We Are Christmas. I will try and leave that in the description box below for you guys, just in case you are interested. It's a pre-lit tree as well, so it's handy. The angel we got from Amazon. Feather boas are from Amazon. These snowflakes are from Amazon. These baubles are from Amazon. These little glitter flowers are from Amazon. This sign I had last year, but I think I got that from Amazon. What else? These pink candy canes are from Amazon. This bauble here was from the range, which you guys would have seen. The little nutcracker was from Tesco's, I think, from last year. Bauble you would have seen, which is from the range. Now this one is a personalised and personal to me, which I got on Amazon, and obviously it goes on the white tree, with the white and silver decorations, but I put that on every year. What else do we have? We have some Santa's boots, which are from Amazon. My little polar bear, which was from Tesco's. My little skates, which are from Tesco's. The pink tree skirt as well was from a different company. If I can remember, I will try and leave that in the description box below for you guys. But yeah, so much going on and loads of bits on the tree. So that's our beautiful pink tree. Oh, and we've got some wings there, which I think I got from Tesco's. And obviously some presents already wrapped up and ready to go. You guys probably won't be able to see this much, but we have a beautiful castle here, which I got from the range. I do actually have a clip of it working, which I am actually going to currently use for another video, but if I still got that clip, I will enter it in this clip video here. So I'm going to move the camera to the side a second. So I will insert the clip here for you guys to see what it looks like in the dark. It looks absolutely amazing and stunning, and I got that from the range. Then we have a star here, which does have a switch. I don't know if you guys can see it all pretty lit up. Oh my god, it's so annoying. Got a star there, which is quite cute. Then we have a Yankee candle here, magical moments, which is actually quite cute. We have these glitter candles. We don't use these are just for show, but I think they're absolutely beautiful. And then we have another candle here, which is a calm and quiet place, and just a couple of little bits here. And last but no means least, I have a little gonk sitting right here as well. So I have a pink one, and obviously Nathan has a blue one, so it's in his and her gonk. And obviously new little storages there, which you guys will see in the bedroom room tour when it finally goes up, but it's a sneak peek of it. But yeah, it is the end of today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Sorry it's been short and sweet, and sorry there's not that much Christmassy bits in our bedroom. We wanted to get lights going above like the hanging of the pictures, but we just couldn't find anything. Obviously we had to go from white and silver to pink in a matter of days, and then obviously buying Christmas presents. So yeah, it was a bit of a nightmare, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video nevertheless. If you have, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.